Ramey, it's your deal, your way.
Come test drive the 2020 Jeep Renegade. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, alloy wheels, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, anti-lock braking system, fog lights, outside temperature gauge. Inside you'll find rear view camera, backup camera, heated seats, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, MP3 player. Come see the car for yourself.
For years, Ramey Auto Group has been doing the deal with our customers.
We do the deal.
Times are changing. We're still doing the deal, just better.
Now you can shop online and do your deal your way, from shopping to valuing your trade and negotiating a price. You can do it all from home. Ramey is making your deal easier and giving you the most convenient car buying experience around.
Most of our customers that start their deal online are in our showrooms less than an hour and on the road in no time.
So check us out at yourdealyourway.net and find a new way to do the deal only at Ramey.